Here we are discussing question number 6 of exercise 8.1 from the chapter Trigonometry. Here topic is trigonometric ratio. Question has been taken from NCERT book of standard 10. Here question is, if angle A and angle B are acute angles such that cos A is equal to cos B, then show that angle A is equal to angle B. Very important question. Let us see solution here. First of all, let us draw a right angle triangle. Then it will be very clear. Suppose this is angle A, this is angle B, angle C. Right angle at angle C. Okay. So we can write triangle ABC is right angle at angle C. So clearly angle B and angle A are acute angles. And what is given here? Here given that cos of A is equal to cos of B. So we know that cos of any angle theta, this is base by hypotenuse. So with respect to this angle A, which side is base? AC is base here. And hypotenuse is AB. This is always longest side. Hypotenuse is always longest side. This is opposite to right angle. And which side is base? You don't understand that always vertical line is perpendicular, not like that. Okay. In this case, with respect to angle A, the side opposite to this angle is perpendicular. Don't think that horizontal line will be always base. No. So here side BC, which is opposite to angle A, is perpendicular. So this side is base. So the side passing through this particular angle A will be base. Okay. So we will write cos A is equal to B by H, isn't it? So B is here AC and H is AB. And in right hand side this is cos B. So with respect to this angle B, base is BC. Base is BC and hypotenuse will remain same, that is AB. In these two fractions you see denominators are equal and there is an equality sign between these two fractions, these two ratios. So what does it show? It shows that AC is equal to BC. If denominators are equal, if fractions are equal, ratios are equal, then naturally numerators will also be equal. So this implies that AC is equal to BC. What does it mean? It means that these two sides are equal. Means triangle ACB is an isosceles triangle. Correct? And we know that in an isosceles triangles, angles opposite to equal sides are equal. Isn't it? So here BC is equal to AC. So this implies that opposite angles A is equal to angle B. You know, if two sides are equal in an isosceles triangle, then opposite angles are also equal. So this has been proved here. Very interesting question, a little bit tricky, but very simple. Hope you have understood it. So we have to see some more important questions. Remain in touch with these videos and hope you have subscribed my channel. If not, please subscribe it. I need your cooperation and please share these videos with your friends also. Wish you all the best.